Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Ben and this is Prism Prints. In this video, I'm making my take on the Stone Golem from Valheim. They are large stone creatures found in the mountain biome and have silver veins running through their bodies. I thought it would look cool to make the spike arm more like ice and have a Sandman-like control over snow with the boulder arm. This was a really different creature from what I've made before, so I hope you all like the finished piece. I'm also excited to tell you I've been working with West Sage on making some bases for my models, and we'll be updating every STL with a more tabletop-friendly option. Big thank you to West Sage. You can find links to his channel as well as all of mine in the description. The Stone Golem turned out better than I had imagined, but let me know what you think. If you enjoy this content, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much.